Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 6i and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find language and region. Now let's tap on language, and as you can see, we've just been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So actually all you have to do is to simply find the language you would like to set and tap on it. I will pick French, so let me tap on it, and as you can see, since it is marked, we can tap on done. Your device will ask you if you really want to change to your language, so just tap on this option, and as you can see, from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. So it's very simple in this device. Let me do it again. Let me change it to English because I'm not really good at French, and since it is marked, we can tap on done here and change to English. And as you can see, the same situation, the language has been changed immediately to the English. So actually this is it. This is how to change system language in your Realme 6i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.